JavaScript is a high-level, dynamic, interpreted programming language that is commonly used to create interactive effects within web browsers. It was initially developed by Netscape as a client-side scripting language to be embedded in HTML, enabling enhanced user interfaces and dynamic website content. JavaScript is now supported by all modern web browsers, making it a crucial component for web development. Key features of JavaScript include 1. Client-side scripting. JavaScript is primarily used for client-side scripting, meaning it runs in the user's web browser, enabling dynamic content and interaction with the user. 2. Versatility. JavaScript can be used for a wide range of applications, from simple website enhancements to complex single-page application spas. 3. Asynchronous programming. JavaScript supports asynchronous programming, allowing tasks to be executed without blocking the main program flow. This is particularly useful for handling events and making network requests. 4. Object-oriented. JavaScript is an object-oriented language, supporting the creation and manipulation of objects. However, it is prototype-based rather than class-based. 5. Cross-platform. JavaScript can run on various platforms and is not limited to web browsers. With the advent of server-side JavaScript frameworks, such as Node.js, developers can use JavaScript to build server-side applications as well. Popular JavaScript frameworks and libraries, such as React, Angular, and Vue.js have further facilitated the development of robust and interactive web applications.